Hey, Andrew from Ozito. Let me introduce you to this 120 amp inverter arc welder. It's great for all those welding jobs around the home, like fixing or building a trailer, getting that gate sorted out, or anything that's pretty much metal. If you're trying to match this welder to your project, all the tech specs are on our website, or if you're in store, they're right on the back of the pack. Now let's have a closer look at what you get in the box. You get your welding torch or electrode holder and its cable. You get your earth clamp and cable. A user manual with all the tips and tricks on how to set it up. A chipping hammer and wire brush. A handheld welding mask. And the inverter arc welder. If you want to know how to set up this inverter arc welder, just follow the link. The variable welding current dial and digital display makes it really simple to set up for a project. This welder has inverter technology, giving you stable and efficient output of the current while arc welding. The thermal overload protection protects the machine from overheating and is fan cooled to cool it down quick. And its compact and lightweight design with shoulder strap makes it easy to carry and move around. So if you've got any of those projects like an old metal gate or a trailer to repair, or even if you just want to get into some metalwork projects, this inverter arc welder is perfect for you. And let us know in the comments below what you use your welder for. And then subscribe.